Hello friends, our column is all about magical recipes and loving your body. Today we are heading to the tropical with our new recipes – tropical smoothie bowl. Before we begin, let's review our ingredients. Half an avocado, in addition to being rich and healthy fast. Avocado contains vitamin E and C, which are good for your skin. Half a banana. Bananas are real energy boosters. They contain potassium, vitamin B6 and will complement our smoothie with a sweet nut flavor. 100 grams of pineapple. Pineapple are rich in bromolamine, an enzyme that promotes better protein digestion. A handful of spinach. Spinach will add a delicate flavor to our bowls, and we also benefit greatly due to its vitamin A and C content. 80 ml of natural coconut milk. Coconut milk will give our smoothie bowl a creaminess and exotic flavor. Now let's move on the cooking process. Slice half of the avocado and banana. Add the pineapple and then a handful of spinach. Don't forget the coconut milk, the key to our tropical atmosphere. Put all the ingredients in the blender and let the magic begin. For sweetness, you may add Akaal Done. A smoothie bowl full of tropical energy, ready for you to immerse yourself in an exotic atmosphere. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more inspiring culinary journeys. See you in the next video. Bye!